Amtrak who is coming to the station. Caution should be going down in a couple seconds. Okay, so we will be right here. It got the realistic horn. And it has a better one too. We're hitting brakes. Gotta start with this light right here. Well, a little bit going past the light. As I should say. Anyway, down here. I like all these train horns. It's just someone that used to be old that I don't like. Other than that, I like the gates are going down. Train going too fast. Okay, we hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. Trains do stop like the real train. Oh, but I ain't gotta hit no brakes. Okay. I'm thinking it's my other sister. Okay, so when this train gonna keep going. This a big load, as you see on the map. Big load. Yeah, this road ends right here for no reason. I need to make a Amtrak line coming right here for only Amtrak. Y'all think I should do that? Comment down below. Only Amtrak's right here. We gotta make some more sand though. But only Amtrak's right here. Comment down below if you want me to do that. I might do it tonight. But comment down below. And I have more videos of Roblox. And trying to get from Roblox. That's just you saying. And I'm very new on YouTube. So I don't know how to do things with train path across the way through and into another without you seeing. I don't like them. I like the CE route that I bought. But all of them cheap except for the routes. Now, I ain't about to route them. She saw me and she didn't. My train going too fast. I need to stop at the next one. But no, I don't. I got a green light. I got to there. He's heading through the Amtrak station. And we want all the people to see us come through. Like going like 80 or something miles per hour. Or whatever it slows you down to. We got new signals, new crossing. It might be funny, but y'all see how the little wiggler and the tracks and stuff is. Yeah. And see, I like these, especially when I ain't put it on there yet, but yeah, here comes the train. get these, you have a fast train. And if you stop it, they stop quick. They don't stop quick in the rear. How you come back so quick? Wait up. So where you finna go? It lets me have my speaker.
How did you find charger?
There, it gotta be in that that thing on the table, that black thing that they go. You can tell 'cause she trying to find food. We need to get her some food so the baby won't be born and be hungry.
Mom gonna need she ain't trying to make some money.
With the kid.
Some stuff.
Okay.
It's on the table.
I sure wanna go. You sure need to drop us off now. But
Talking going loud, they got some shit going on.
they go, ha.
Two going loud, they all going loud in one room. They about that boy. Now she thought that boy stole that money from her and she could call that boy mama bitches and that. No, let her I ain't see if that phone she asked me that's why she looked put down.
Whoa! Oh snap! Let me hit my brakes. Everybody, I think this is gonna be the end of the video. Bye, like and subscribe.
What?